Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact AMD GPU and your OS so you download the correct package. Once identified, download the latest AMD Adrenalin installer for your Windows 64-bit. While that downloads, close games and heavy apps, make a restore point if you want a rollback option. If upgrading from old drivers, consider running Display Driver Uninstaller in safe mode to remove remnants. Now run the AMD installer and choose Custom Install when prompted to control components. Run the AMD installer with administrator rights and accept system prompts. Choose Custom Install to control what gets installed. Opt for Clean Install to remove leftover files that cause conflicts and monitor the installer progress. Graphics driver packages can take several minutes. After installation completes, allow the system to reboot when prompted. This finalizes driver integration with the kernel. Once back, open AMD Adrenalin or Device Manager to confirm the reported driver version matches the package you installed, and that displays are detected correct. Finish by testing your GPU under real conditions. Run a benchmark or a game at your target settings to confirm stability and expected performance. If you see artifacting, crashes, or black screens, reboot into safe mode and try rolling back to the previous driver or reinstalling the package with Clean Install. If problems persist, use AMD Cleanup Utility or Display Driver Uninstaller to remove remnants and then reinstall the correct driver. One key troubleshooting tip: Safe Mode Plus the often resolves.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.